Hello, my African Professor One on Filter platform. So, my spokesperson African Professor One. Kasabamadan subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, no, welcome mom. So welcome home. Be one more time. We African Professor One on Filter. Massa, my spokesperson, my chairman, my chief linguist, my baby, and Kasa hit the notification bell. Like, mom, and subscribe, share with friends and family. And then, come on, person, no mudino. I ask him, Bisa, maybe ask him, Bisa, and maybe Bisa. Me say, it's NPP, New Patriotic Party. It's NPP no longer Ashanti Party. My senses we say, and then come up with some of the Miss Busa, as some Busa and Busa say. She say the NPP and ya Ashanti Party beam. First, no, say I can't party, but with particular emphasis on Ashanti. Because no more propagate sa lies, no more use Ashanti because they want to create some kind of enmity be and I say be between Asantefoᴐ and other people. Intine command person no a question as me say is NPP no longer Ashanti Party? NPP and Asantefoᴐ Party be. I didn't tell them bisa and maybe a trouble concern Bawumia be NPP flag bearer no. Na Mahama, former President Mahama, the campaign slogan and answer the mantra no say NPP Asantefoᴐ Party. Intino ena wa ahwe Ghana so nkofo bebre Ashanti haters no mo amudwa Asantefoᴐ ne Asante ko bebre no maka no bia anka hwe na fe na manfo adwa Ghanaians maza obia ebanye eso bia de enye ti ofisa wo de ya don't come and demonize me say me de enti no mo use Asantefoᴐ ene de win it vote because Mahama no ofisa the campaign message ane say mo hwe man kan say party no Asantefoᴐ Party enti mo amoye asebisa we agurani we ye aigbeni we ye frafrani we mosini we ye deni a bunu we ye hwan yo Asantefoᴐ mu ade enti no party enti mama to mama enti ka wo mefa ho de awone ka Mahama na yi an woni campaign message bia de ne de bia NPP for NDC for ehedin katia enum ne ade ade nyina ka se ehedin katia wo ya kan ni ti won yusu akan to be ka se Asantefoᴐ Party whatever that means. Enti Mahama campaign no say ana Nyankopon da Roma. I mean to be honest with you, tell my NPP for no mu year omo say primaries no. Now I was on the side of Kennedy Japan. That's so true. And you say party dey nyina wo bia or the ope. Naka na me I wish say Kennedy Japan because the message near that no. Na fi say that was a campaigning for but at the end of the day no majority carried the vote. NPP for to Bawumia. And everybody obia we NPP member BR and I said who sympathize with NPP BR, everybody should, say rally their support behind Bawumia and win because no matter what, less say Mahama ne Bawumia, they are all two evils, but the lesser of the two evils, Bawumia, the lesser of them, they are less evil than the other one, Bawumia. And what is the alternative? And that's what it is. But anyway, command person didn't say. And I'm because me busa question say the NPP mean to say NDC for enam and as Mahama you should say NPP Asantefoᴐ Party because they say no we need any nyina so won't me nyina ho pa nhwe nyame anim ka say NPP Asantefoᴐ Party wa ye Bawumia ofi warwale o ne lead NPP sisi o flag bearer presidential candidate for NPP but meanwhile so NDC, the question is NDC also the bear no be Asantini say Asantini in lead party neither. And I say, beside Rollins, Rollins free, say Rollins there true cool no many other day or buy any other now some lifted ban on political activities no aside Jinai. But other than that, there's no way say NDC come be use voter region and as I'm going to be lead party. That's for sure. Until the BR almost sorry NDC for no be breed almost sorry I don't can say NPP Asantefoᴐ Party they say sisi a minimum wo sisi a person busa say Asantefoᴐ Party any wo wale ni in a leading party no. That's the question. And the identity the question was identity na say din kotia former President Mahama one more say leading say officers and other officials of NDC no identity na say the omu use sa sa strategy ni bi say NPP Asantefoᴐ party nti sa no pese busa me say me question me busa ni nyina so ne say me busa question say da bia NDC for say NPP Asantefoᴐ party they say so hwemu a ayi na leadie Bawumia and party leader say presidential candidate flag bearer nti no pese busa say no NDC omo campaign in terms of say or na say omo use sa strategy ni say NPP Asantefoᴐ party into mo bia ntoma mo Asantefoᴐ de omo mu ade Asantefoᴐ kyerɛ mo Asantefoᴐ yehuhu Asantefoᴐ fi so mo yɛ nipa kyɛn bia na pese busa say Asantefoᴐ party and yi wale ni not na LED party no. That's the question I want to know. And it's an person busa NDC for say Mahama especially on the use sa Trump card no we use sa card no sa identity and that's a tribal politics no say the bay be gaining more votes and they say no and I'm say on team use sa strategy ni bi no on nam na afedi adidi atem no didie say Bawumia kra o kan kra we say o say ni say na the point is say we say Bawumia ho your mobo na Bawumia on the ho osre no matter what Bawumia be vice president because NPP there say union mo official for no official omo position any vice president they say presidential candidate the top of the ticket in there there's no way so be choose ceremony but she say here we are you will ceremony and that's Wali tough guy say no Dr. Alhaji Bawumia and the lady Asantefoᴐ party the so-called Asantefoᴐ party today come person media and answer question person busa former president Mahama NDC no mo so da be no be yi Asanteni amana lead NDC so mo kwa na play tribal politics NPP for kwa na play now at least NPP for it may yi esimuni amana lead party no mo so da ben god na kwadu agima run so oni ni krukra tail NDC no chedi omu chi ya maame no eni tika ho bi na maame no mfiso ni kru wi anase ni kru ti ase nyina wanti wa magina NPP NDC platform so anye campaign that's for sure menye sure cross over to NDC yes because of the way omo ye doing on the mills no more running for the top of the ticket was sunyan said you demonize said you see good and mass it is an person busa because of mamri Asanteni it is Mahama says wa hijack NDC and wafa and wanam ntika senka nyame na boa MPP fo na omu choose miama mahu say omu choose Bawumia kra emfa so ewunya sasampa because ko man use sa o man use Bawumia me do nyam say ke siremu ho any Ghana nyina say de omu si kan Asantefoᴐ ho asem for no reason no enka o betu atia MPP ba say no say MPP Asantefoᴐ party o say a party o say Angrafo party o say Isimfo party say no ye nua simuni and say ye nua not na and the lady party no enti say no she person who say no MPP enye Asantefoᴐ party biom we say the Mahama Mr. Mahama former president Mahama person busa question person busa say they say MPP enye Asantefoᴐ party biom because mentisa wo kan sa wo kan who use that strategy and I say sa card in the biom you don't play that tribal Ashanti politics line in biom it says because they say wo it's the money in the party no the we ask no utu na kan no kre when policy issue be alternative policy alternative be there America say former president Mahama only any say tangible and say any far reaching policy be just say obetumi putting in place obetuma Ghana for ho akire ho atoye the otiwa say oba free SHS will be review what is it that this guy want to come and review at the end oba be review afa part afa free SHS what is it America hama American no American all from kindergarten to say 12th grade level which is high school level say Ghana senior high free did lunch did breakfast and lunch bus to school car before nyina nkora nyina school sound be see every day because someone say you cannot practice democratic system and that's a democratic government when citizens cannot read and write. They can read because election will make you choices. You should be able to identify symbols and names near there. Now, if you can read the instructions, simple instructions, you can become a computer based so much about. Now you can read, click here, click next. Now you don't even know what that mean. Better than what me up democracy, what me promoting. That is why America say free, school, senior high school name, elementary school, middle school, mandatory and that's a compulsory. You have to acquire BI so school free. You got to go unless the parents who is kind of officer when they back to private school and yes idea a free cooperating the same way because they know the essence of education and that's the important the significance of education in terms of improving and I say enhancing democratic dispensation and I say underpinnings into say it's a country say a month for no omunye well educated near the idea and yiti omapa obiapa say opeso implement free senior high school and mobia because former President Mahama you took advantage of free senior high school who a school with small they free because papa who say who school a crap papa who say a school free no transfer do call me boy kasamboa I want to hear a wife it's more call papa do call free Argentina Umpese Ghana for Nkwalade omunye free. Now sorry, I just say 20 years time, just say 30 years time, this a day I have to review. What is it there for you to review? When the policy be because I didn't come back you and say NPP Asantefoᴐ party. There is one mudra Asantefoᴐ in an Koma Babejina side. But they say no, NPP is led by a Northerner, just like you. And it is say no, a dear argument in the same. It in command person new dinner me say, they say NPP. And yes, Asantefoᴐ party bill, Mr. Mahama, and in the NDC for a shading Katia, Monomo for shampoo for someone, mom, babies with sharp teeth near the my question to all of you, she said the NPP, saying yet as a yes, Asantefoᴐ party bill, Meboa. To command person, the Monamoso, the band number Asantefoᴐ LED NDC. To command person, the one more time, subscribe, share with friends and family, they hit notification bell, they like it. We African Professor One Unfiltered. I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.